Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you are looking for the Chime working promo code or coupon code in 2025, then this video is for you. So you can do is you can stick around with the Chime official website where you can find different types of offers in different periods or different occasions. Also, you can do is you can get updates from their online presence like their Facebook pages or Twitter account or the Instagram pages from here. Also, there are apps that can show you the in-app notifications, show you some offers and some promotional campaigns through their notification section. Now, some third-party websites like Simply Codes can help you to get the details or some code for the Chime. So you can do is you can go to the simplycourse.com/store/chime.com, and from here you can find the today's Chime deals, where you can find some deals here like newsletter deals. So simply click on get deal and it will redirect you to the deal page where you can find their Chime promo page where you can get some discount. So also you can find some instruction or some suggestions when is the best time to buy Chime. So it will tell you the best time for you. Also, you can join the on the Chime and get this here that terms apply. So you can simply click on get deal, and you can also find the deal from here that is like referral program here. So here is a page where you can log in or create an account here. So get $100 when you join Alexis on Chime. You can find this bonus page from here. So like this is like referral program, so you can get the $100. Now the second website is Riddle Me Not. So you can go to the riddlemenot.com/views/chime.com. There are also some codes that can help you get some credit or some bonuses. Now you have to do is simply click on show code and it will reveal all the code. This copy button will help you to copy this code and you can redeem it on your Chime website or in application. Now the third website is the coupon ship, where you can find this couponship.com/chime. This URL will help you to get this list of promo code. So here is some code here, so simply click on get promo code and it will help you to get the code here. Simply click on copy and you can use it on your Chime website or Chime account through the Chime application. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.